In our video today, we're going on an adventure to unlock the secrets of a text using Reading Information 6.3. Our secret tool to the standard is a key that helps us analyze how individuals, events, or ideas are introduced, illustrated, and elaborated in a text. Let us use our key to unlock a text about Amelia Earhart, an extraordinary individual who left her mark on history. The text introduces Amelia by describing her experience at a state fair where she saw a plane for the first time. This introduction sets the stage for the events to follow. We see Amelia, a curious young girl fascinated by airplanes. The text then illustrates Amelia's journey by detailing her flight training and early flying experiences. Amelia's transformation from a spectator at a state fair to a woman flying an airplane shows how an idea is illustrated in the text. The text elaborates on her achievements, such as her solo flight across the Atlantic. Through these examples, we've seen how an individual, Amelia in this case, is introduced, illustrated, and elaborated on in the text. This standard helps us identify these key elements: introduction, illustration, and elaboration. With this standard, we can delve deeper into any text to uncover the finer details and better understand the content. Ready for your text detective adventure? Let's use our key to unlock more texts.